Today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to hit you guys first with a giveaway that I'm going to be doing. Yes, everybody, this is going to be the first official giveaway of my channel. And so what are we going to be giving away, you might ask? That right there, that beautiful 2019 ZR1 poster. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy D. I'm back at you once again. I'm here at FS Garage once again. If this is your first time coming to the channel, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for joining us. If you could please, after this video, if you like it, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Our community is growing daily, and I'd like to add you guys to that wonderful community. Also, the giveaway is still going on. I will have the link to the latest video, which will actually be in one of these corners. So go ahead and check out that video, make a comment on the video, and be subscribed to the channel, and you are automatically entered into the contest. So today you got a how-to that's gonna go down. I'm going to talk to you about a product that I think everyone needs, and it actually helps out as far as with your cell phone and everything like that. So it's a little cell phone mount that is awesome. It's from a company called ProClip, and they make holders for cell phones, specifically for Corvettes. So we're gonna go ahead and take you into film source, and yeah, so let's go. Come on in. And so right now, I'm gonna show you this particular product. There's two pieces that goes along to it, and when you go onto the website, you can actually choose what type of car you have, and then they will tell you what type of setup fits your car. And so the first piece is this piece right here, and it is to hold on to the O shit bar, if you will. This bar right here. And so there is a seam that is up under here that you can affix this particular edge to right here. It just fits right in between that seam. This piece right here will actually fit in this seam right here. They actually have a shim that you can use to open this up. I've done this once or twice, so I don't need to use a shim anymore, so I'm not even going to use a shim. But the shim will basically go in here and separate this plastic piece from the Alcantara portion right here. So what you want to do is, like I said, you want to take this piece, find that seam. Alright, once you find that seam, you can go ahead and just push that up. There. Alright, so now that basically goes into that seam that I was talking to you about, and so you don't have to worry about it moving. It's nice and sturdy. And so now what you want to do is, the second piece is this piece right here. And what this does is it allows you to put your cell phone, even with the case, so you see I have a case on mine, but it allows you to put your cell phone right inside there and actually holds it. Alright, so there's this piece right here that will actually be fixed on here, and then this, which has a swivel back, as you can see right there, has a swivel back, will go ahead and go on here. So then that way you can actually move it side to side or whatever you need to do. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, and I've already taken this piece off the back. It tells you to take this piece off the back, so then you can just worry about putting this on here. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So this piece also, I'm not sure if you can really tell, but it actually has screw holes that are on here for your particular configuration. And so telling you, this installation is just so straightforward, and it's just a huge benefit for you if you really want to worry about hands-free. Nice and sturdy, it's not moving. And so now what you need to do as well is unscrew these two screws right here. And what that does is that allows there to be a gap in the back, and then that's how you actually measure how wide the bracket needs to be. It'll go out and it'll expand and contract. So whenever you find out what your width needs to be, you can take that back out. And then now there's actually a screw in the center of this, and there's a screw in this screw hole in the center of that. Just place that on there. Nice. And so there you go. Nice and sturdy. You can put your cell phone in. As you can see, you can turn it. You can turn it that way. However you want to do it. And then you're good to go. That way you can do whatever you need to do without even having to worry about your phone sliding or anything like that. And so there you go. So like I said, if you're looking for something for your C7 or any car, you just got to go onto the site and put your make and model of your car, and then you'll be good to go. So everybody, make sure you check out, like I said, ProClipUSA.com. I'll put a link in the description below, and yeah, so that's all you need to do. So thank you very much, and I appreciate you guys' time. Like I said, the contest is still available for the ZR1 banner. You just have to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Then you have to make sure that you comment on the video that's there. And yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you like the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, everybody, deuces. Woo!